Alright, let's continue with our next session. I'm going to show you how to manipulate maybe like animate whatever things here, whatever you have in your timeline. Okay, so I think this sound might sound a little bit inappropriate, so I just delete it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to animate the picture or shape or whatever shit you have in your timeline. Okay, so here we have your picture, so I'm going to put it here. Okay, so let's explore what we have in here. So you click this arrow and there is transform. Okay, so these are basically what are you going to do with your photos. Okay, we have anchor point, position, scale, rotation, and opacity. And there are clocks here. Clock is to show that if you want it to be in certain other settings in different time. Okay, for example, in 0 seconds the setting is like this, but in 20 seconds you want it to be like maybe in other position, or you want to fade it, or you want to scale it, or you want to rotate it. Okay, so let's choose one of these options here. Okay, I'm going to position it. Okay, so I need to click this clock button here until you have the square there, and then it will create a keyframe. So this is the yellow keyframe. Okay, and after that I want it to be in other position after 4 seconds, after 2 seconds. Okay, so I just mark it at 2 seconds. Okay, you can see the time here. Okay, if you want to be more accurate, you can click it. Okay, and then you can move it to a new position. Just move it anywhere you want. Okay, like this. Okay, so you notice that there is a dot line here, dotting line here, dotted lines, and then there is the straight path. Okay, and once you put in the new lock in the new position, there will be another one keyframe created. It is to show that this this particular photo is moving in 2 seconds from here to here, so you can play it after that. Right, it's like that. Okay. Okay. How about you want it to be curved? You can edit this line. Okay. And you can change the way you want it to be curved, like this. Okay. So as you can see, the photo is moving later on. Okay, in 4 seconds. So it will use that path to move. Okay. There are also ways to edit this particular path by clicking this vortex pen tool. So you can click wherever you want to create a reference line. Okay, so from here you can adjust it to whatever path you want. Okay, even out from the screen. Okay, so let's play it. So there you have it. And when you create a new vortex, it will create a new keyframe. Okay, so if you want to edit the keyframe, you can just click here, okay, to the next or previous keyframe. So you can see that the position here changed. Okay, so this is for the position. Let's go for scale. Okay, I want it to be double the size from the sorry, from the 0 second is the original, the small size for 3.8%. I want it to be in the original size once it reach 4 seconds, or maybe 3 seconds. Okay, so I just click this, it will create new keyframe, and I want it to be in 3 seconds. So I just click this 3. 3. Okay, so it'll be exactly at 3 seconds. And at the new position, you click this percentage, put it to 100%, which is the original size. Alright, so you can see that it will slowly increase in size. Okay, so it will stop growing after 3 seconds. Alright, as you can see, that is for scale. If you want it to be rotated, for example, I want to start rotate from here, so just click this rotation. Okay, pick a new position and put maybe like 270. Alright, so it will rotate like the way you want it. Okay, 270 degrees. And you also can fade in and fade out. Okay, that means you change the opacity. So you start from here. 100% means total visibility, or 0% means total invisibility. So I put it here. Then I put the positive opacity as 0. So it won't appear, it is invisible. So it will slowly disappear like that. So that is how you work with transform. Okay, so later I will show you how to work with other things with this transform. You can also use it for text, for photos, for shapes. Okay, and you can edit all the keyframes here just by clicking this and click all the keyframe. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.